You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is I, Ieman. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys, I'm going to be unboxing something that's going to really top my productivity level and my gaming level. Maybe not so much on gaming, but definitely on the productivity side, yes. Here I have the LG UltraFine Display Ergo. The UltraFine Display Ergo. But yeah. This is a full 4K monitor, and obviously I make my videos in 4K. I shoot on the A7C in 4K, so I want to be able to edit my videos in 4K as well, and watch my videos back in 4K, if that makes sense. But yeah, it's going to be going on my setup behind me. Literally, I have no setup behind me right now, as you can see in that corner. PC is not there anymore. I explained to you guys about that in a separate video that I'm going to be doing. But yeah, anyway, let's have a look at some specs. So it's got HDR built in, it's an IPS 4K display, and also has USB Type-C as well. And I've heard that you can actually run your MacBook off this monitor, and you don't need to actually put the charging cable or charging whatever it's called in the MacBook to charge it. The power actually comes from this monitor, so you can have a really nice simple two cable setup. So one cable for the monitor going to the mains, and then another cable going to your iMac, which is pretty damn cool. But anyways, but yeah, we're not going to be using an iMac with this bad boy. We're going to be using all the power and all the oomph and all the graphics we can push out onto this monitor. But yeah, this is what the front looks like. I already started opening it because I was just too excited. But yeah, it's a 32-inch monitor. Like I said, that's the model number there. And yeah, it's the Ergo as well. And yeah, comes with a nice arm as well. So you can literally change positions however you want, whenever you want, and move it whichever way you want. Anyway, let's just dig straight in. Guys, I'm going to be setting this bad boy up as well, so keep tuned for that as well, because that is going to be lit. Because I want to see how it's going to look, man. I want to see how it's going to look. Anyway, so first thing we have is something very heavy. Well, what is in it? Oh, we have oh wow, that is a nice slender brick there, you know. Ooh, look how slim and slender that is. That's the cable for the actual monitor, so you power it up with this cable, which is pretty cool. That's that. And it comes with a nice HDMI cable as well. Nice HDMI cable right there. Look at that, beautiful. I love it when monitors come with extra cables like HDMI cable, the sport cable, and all that stuff. And then we have some more cables which I have no idea what it's for. Yeah, I have no idea what this cable is for, but got that cable. And then you got that cable too, and that is a USB-C cable, which is pretty cool. So if you want to plug your Mac into this, you actually can, like I said in the beginning. Then yeah, the HDMI cable as well. Let's put that over there. Right, sweet. Then we've got the other part of the brick to actually power this up. So that goes into the main brick, and then this goes into the wall to obviously get power to the monitor. Let's put that down. So, I believe this is a back plate. Oh wow, bagging in the bag. Oh, we've got a nice screw there. Gonna find out what that's for quite soon. Got a nice little screw. And then in here, oh actually no. This is if you want to screw it into the middle of your desk. So if you want to screw it into the middle of the desk, but we're not going to be doing that because we have a solid desk, and I'm actually going to be clamping it onto the back of the desk. So I don't really need this. at all, so that can stay in there in the bag. Right guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get everything out of the box and show you guys pretty much what it comes with, because this box is too big and I cannot fit myself in frame and the box. So I'll see you guys in just a sharp second. Right, so guys, I am in my normal position when I am making my videos, and yeah, I got everything out of the box, and yeah, literally it comes as two-piece. So you got the monitor, which is right here and is freaking massive. Whew. That's a beam. Kind of reminds me of the 21:9 monitor, because it's nice and wide as well, which is very, very nice. Look how wide it is. It literally stands up on its own. But yeah, it's quite wide actually, and I'm very surprised. I mean, I've never used what do you call it, a 32-inch monitor before. So literally I went from using a TV then to using a super ultra wide monitor. But yeah, this is nice. I was actually thinking of getting another 32-inch, putting in my setup, but I don't know. I really don't know, because this is big enough anyways for me. And obviously when I'm doing my editing, my video editing, the timeline is going to be nice and long as well, which is going to be nice, But yeah, I'm still in two minds of if I should get another one, a gaming one that's 32-inch, and put it side by side. But obviously I've got my BenQ there, which is 34-inch. I'm going to put it side to side and you'll see how it looks. And also, I don't know about space as well, my desks. So you're gonna have to see when the PC is built. Anyway, we got the monitor, we got the nice sexy arm. Whew, look at that. Oh wow. Whew, it's a nice arm. So basically, what you do is just put it underneath the desk just like that. Boom, and you put the monitor on, and it literally moves around. Oh, so spring loaded. So I'm guessing the reason why it's going back up is because the monitor isn't on top of it. So it's just going up, and yeah, literally move it however you want. It's amazing. I love it. And obviously at the back here we got some cable management pockets here. So okay, just want to turn. We've got some cable management stuff here. Oh, so you lift the top, pull that out, and boom, feed your cables all the way down through there and back out the back, and then straight in to whatever you're going to be plugging it into. Tell you guys what's at the back here. So our connections that we have, so we have that USB-C cable and USB-C port I was talking to you guys about. We have two lightning bolt USB 3.0, and then we have a deep display port. We have two HDMI ports, and we have the, I believe that's for the power. I don't know, I'm gonna work that out and figure that out. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly set this up, show you guys what it looks like, because yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I can't wait. I really cannot wait to get my whole PC built and everything. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright, so as all guys, it's all set up. Set it all up. Yeah, this is what my setup is looking like right now. It's literally, there's nothing of it. I have no PC. Luckily I have a gaming laptop so I can do my editing from it. I have no gaming PC, don't really have any monitors. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And yeah, I'm gonna work with that 24-inch monitor and see how it goes, and put it beside it and see. And I think I should just have enough space for my PC on that side, and then put that monitor over this side, and then put it side by side and see how it looks. But yeah, that's pretty much the LG monitor. Obviously I don't have anything to power it up with, but you got movement down, back up. It's a little bit stiff when you're bringing it down, but I think maybe that's because it's new and I haven't used it that much. But yeah, it goes this way. You can literally move it whichever way you want. Whichever way you want, you can move it. You can move it that way, move it that way. You can even lift it up. And check out the best thing I love. You can even rotate it. Boom. You can even rotate it and read some Twitter comments and stuff like that. But yeah guys, that's been the unboxing on the LG UltraFine Ergo monitor, 32-inch. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I love it already, and yeah, I can't wait to switch her on and watch something 4K and see what's going on. But yeah guys, if you do want to be a part of me redoing my whole setup, from building the PC to actually setting it all up and making it look nice, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me. Subscribe, follow me on my social media accounts. I'll leave it all, everything you need down in the description section. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.